Today I will discuss about Calphalon BVCLECMP1 Temp IQ Espresso Machine. Product link in the description below. Calphalon BVCLECMP1 Temp IQ Espresso Machine with Steam Wand, stainless. 15-bar Italian pump delivers the right amount of pressure for maximum flavor extraction and produces a beautiful layer of crema for your espresso. Dial interface for selecting steam, hot water, and pre-programmed single and double shots. 58 mm cafe-sized portafilter holds more grounds and ensures even water dispersion and extraction for robust flavor. Thermoblock heating technology and PID temperature control delivers even heat for consistently great-tasting espresso. And pre-infusion gently blooms the espresso grounds for optimally extracted espresso. Removable 2.0 liters water reservoir with hinged lid for easy filling. Cup warming tray for espresso-ready cups and steam wand froths milk for creating cappuccinos, lattes, and other drinks, just like in coffee shops. Includes stainless steel milk pitcher, tamper, and cleaning pin located in the accessories storage area under the drip tray. Product link in the description below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.